Hello everyone, today in front of me I have DOOGEE S86 Pro smartphone, and let me show how you can set the screen timeout setting on this device to never. So if we'll go to the display category of settings, and here look for the screen timeout option, we'll see that the maximum value that we can set is 30 minutes. So in order to be able to set it to never, we'll use the help of the free Google Play Store app called Caffeine. So let's open up the Play Store. At the search bar, type in Caffeine. Once the needed app is found, let's open its page, and here click on this green install button. Now we gotta wait for the app to get downloaded and installed. After we open it, tap on this don't show again, and all that it's left to do is to make sure that this value that is set at the timeout section is infinite, and that will ultimately mean that as long as the Caffeine app is active and running, your screen will not turn off automatically, no matter for how much time your phone will be in the idle status. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.